Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a really nice looking 2008 Kawasaki VN1600. It's the Vulcan Classic. Got a liquid cooled 1600cc V-twin with a 5-speed. The nice big fenders on it, dual front disc brakes, aluminum rims. We put new tires on it, front and rear, in our shop. We ran it through the shop, checked it out, serviced it, inspected it, and it is ready to ride. It's a carbureted bike. Here's the choke right here. Rider floorboards. It's a shaft drive bike with a nice chrome shaft cover. Got a set of small bags on it. Rider backrest, windshield up front, the big fender on the back. You can see that rear tire is a new tire as well. Got the factory exhaust. It really sounds good on this bike. It's got a nice sound to it. Got adjustable air shocks on it here. Put you a battery tender on it. Rider pegs there. Paint is really nice on this bike. It's got a couple of little spots on it. One back here on the very tip of the fender. This looks like just some smears. It's been kind of showering here today on and off, and so we've got a couple of little raindrops on there. Here on the tank looks good. A really long stretch tank on it. That looks like a little rock peck here, a little rock peck right there. Let's see if we can see anything else. Looks like a little rock peck right in here. Other than that, she looks good. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Blue paint's got some nice little metallic in it. It's not real heavy flake, but enough to give it some sparkle. Let's fire this baby off and let you give it a listen. Actually, it's a fuel injected bike. That's just a throttle over here, I guess. I was thinking it was carbureted, but it's fuel injected, and that would just be a throttle. It's got 9,941 miles on it. Fires right off, runs real good. Doesn't smoke, no abnormal engine noises or any of that. Got some good financing options and warranty options. Be sure to ask about that when you call. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.